Okay, so we are live again. Finally, I think the day streams are not for me. I'll just wait for some people to be here. And if you guys can listen, I see three people. Hey Prithviraj, let's go, man. I'm really sorry for the day stream. I had to have a very interesting conversation with the internet provider, and yeah, finally we are good. Why did the afternoon stream crashed? So there were a couple of reasons. One is my internet. So I thought the internet is not working fine, so I lodged a complaint with the ISP provider. Then while they were debugging, they found out that I have consumed this month's like the speed limit, and my plan was using the 10 Mbps default speed, and total data which I have consumed this month is around 2 terabyte, which is a lot. So I have to first then I change all the Wi-Fi passwords in my home, and now I am using a LAN cable directly connected with my system, and I have upgraded my plan like for a better speed. So I am hoping this would not happen again. And also I did a little bit of something with my like the layout here. I did not like the corners in my screen, so I hope those are looking nice. The white borders I have added on keyboard and on my like camera view. Harshit, back again. Yes, back again. So today was Monday, and the whole day I was just dealing with this internet issue, and after that I was dealing with one other issue in my machine. So I found out that there was this service. Okay, let me just tell you guys what happened. So what happened was I have this item which shows how many upload or download is happening. So in this corner, I was noticing 20 Mbps of constant downloading is happening, and I was like, what's going on? Like I just upgraded my plan, and again I'm getting this 20 Mbps of downloading. Something is downloading. I went to the activity monitor in the network tab, and I saw here on the data received it was like 250 GB. So I have downloaded something of 250 GB. Then I found out that it's some sort of a bug with Apple, this Mac OS, which I'm using. And what I have done, again, I have only enabled a patch here. So I have installed this Lulu, like a network monitor tool, and I have blocked this service. You see this service, which is called Idle Asset SD. So technically, this service is used to run on the background. It runs on as a root, and it technically syncs all my photos from my iCloud to my Mac, which I disabled, but it was still running, and it's still downloading everything with 20 Mbps for hours. So what I did, I found out like it's also a bug when you have this in system settings. You go to where wallpaper. So if you use any of the wallpapers like dynamic wallpapers, it downloads, and people were complaining about it, like they also face similar issues on the Apple community forum. So yeah, I disabled that, so it took me a couple of hours as well. Then in the evening, after all this fiasco, I went out, and now I'm back. Yeah, Harshit. It was accurately it was 1.89 terabyte, but now I'm again on a 1 TB plan. uh, so yeah, let's see how this works now. Cool. We have 8 people watching here. So guys, I just want to do a little bit of work today so that I do not feel like I did not do anything like productive this whole day. So yeah, I and maybe I'll do the evenings stream only, maybe from tomorrow. So we were building the studio thing in the daytime. Karthik, hey, welcome to the stream. How you store app images, Firebase or other? So Karthik, I store most of my images which are like a cold storage is in AWS S3. It's cheaper, and when I need something very quickly, I'm just working on an app as I'm already using Firebase on it. So I put it on the Firebase cloud storage because the SDK is so easy that you do not have to go through the hassle of the S3 thing. In S3, if you want to upload, you have to first create a signed URL, and then in that signed URL, you have to do the uploading using some sort of a JS SDK. So yeah, if I feel my app is doing good and the data will keep on increasing, I put it on S3. Otherwise, if it's a very basic MVP, cloud storage works great for me. I hope that solved your query. Also, I just found out about this tool like in the day while I was browsing Twitter that this is 21st.dev. Here you find so many components and you can directly copy paste them. It's super interesting. So I was very interested in some sort of like this background light. You see this Aurora style background light, and they have given the whole code, Aurora background, tailwind, and even you can just npx this and it will be directly copied into your system. That's the shared cn. I hope you guys know about shared cn, like one of the best component system I would say out there. I like shared cn because it uses tailwind css. So yeah, even if you want to do a little bit of customization, it's easy. Okay, so what if we do it 200%? Yeah, it does work. Maybe we have provided it this much space only. Hey, hi Srar. Welcome back. And again, as I was telling earlier, in the daytime it was a lot of issues. I just said a lot of things. Maybe you can go back and see what all happened in the day. But yeah, my plan for a nice productive Monday for 4 hours of coding, that went down the drain. New overlay looks cool. Hey, thanks. Yeah, I was just asking the other guys how it's looking. Yeah, I thought I have to do something. So I just sat for like 30-45 minutes and made that. Now what we can do is in the sidebar navigation. Harshit, nighttime is best for a stream. Yes, I agree now. In the daytime, there are like I have to go for lunch. I have to like sometimes I feel like doing something very like by myself, like a deep work. And evening it can be a chill. Like if I don't do anything in this stream, that's also fine for me. But yeah, like today was a fiasco, man. Like the start of the week, it was not great. Well, you live, you learn. Israr, it's okay, man. Mondays are meant to be disappointing. Yes, today was the Monday blue for me. Yikes. What are we doing? So, Israr, I think you just joined. I was just talking about this thing. The 21st dev, I found out today while browsing Twitter. They have a set of components like a lot of components. You can even search for components here. Crazy, like crazy designs. And I'm 100% using a lot of these things for my next landing page. So you can just go and run the shed.cn command. This whole code will be copied directly into your system. The best part with shed.cn is the components are made with Tailwind. So it's very easy for you to, even if you want to customize something. Damn, this is cool. Yeah, I also found it very cool. Also, I went ahead and created a Discord group. Very basic. I'll keep on adding something, keep on changing something. But yeah, let's edit. Never, no limit. Grant temporary membership. Generate a new link. Copy. So here's the Discord link. If anybody hidden, use copy button. What is doing? Is there a bug on Discord? Invite people. Wow, I think there is a bug on Discord. Like I click here, I copy the link, but this link, it's saying hidden use copy button, but it's only copying hidden use copy button. Maybe the developer has forgotten that he needs to not copy this text, but the link when you click on copy. Wow. So guys, we found a bug on Discord. This is crazy. You can't invite people on Discord. Okay, we'll wait for this fix in the next update. UI words.io is another Tailwind component library I use. Awesome. Let me check it out. I don't know. Isra, time to apply it to Discord. Yes, man. They need some productive guys. Oh, wow. This looks interesting. Oh, it's similar to 21st Dev. Very nice. But are these all like Tailwind components? Like this? I think this is a GIF. HTML, CSS, okay. Export to React. Copy to Figma as well. Nice, nice. I'll just bookmark this. Okay, let's start. Rohit, isn't this 21st Dev website stealing components from other libraries? I'm not sure about that, Rohit. Like, I think these are like open components already, what I believe, because this library in itself is a GitHub repo, so it is itself is an open source. So they might be using or like centralizing all the open source component at one dashboard, which looks nice. So I think that's what they are doing, not monetizing or anything with this. Even you can publish your own component. Best part of these comps are that we don't have to install additional packages. Yep, the whole code base is available, and you can even customize them according to your project or need. That's true. I think with shared CN, that's the thing I like about it. Like, I can have all this kind of a UI. It's a very standard library. Like, you can have all these components. Like, if you're creating a dashboard and all those things, and the whole code is copied. So you're not technically installing anything. You're just copying the code with that command to your project, whatever you need. So your UI component library is not the bloating library you install like every component, even if you are not using it. By the way, after looking for an hour or so, I realized Windows already have Pomodoro called Focus, and it's slick. Sleek. Focus. I think I saw that last time, but was it for Windows? Focus. Pomodoro Windows. Oh, it's by Windows only. Nice. Go to English. Yes, English. Oh, it's 3,000 rating with 4-star. Nice. Wow, it breaks the time and dashboard and all. Very nice. Very interesting. So anyone Windows person here, they can download this one instead of this Sessions app. I think it's free, right? It's free. Yeah. VXXNU. What are you building? Vishnu, so I am building an app called Post Handle. So technically this is the web app. It has a home button, Studio, and Studio I have already designed in Figma. Let me just quickly show you. So I'm just implementing the sidebar section of it. Yeah, this is how it looks. So I'm creating this studio. Currently this is a dark theme, which I might do later, but currently I need to add this header, these three sections, and then this timeline view. So once I add this, we'll work on the timeline view. That's the task I'm working on. Osmo is working. Is it? Is it back now? I hope this is back. Okay, where were we? Focus is inbuilt. Okay, nice. How did you build the UI? I can't design it properly. I have tried many times. What do you mean by you can't design? You mean like you have difficulty designing with code, or in general designing in any designing tool? No background music. Is it? I can listen to music. Every day this stream has some issue or the other. This is so irritating, man. And my stream, it's stuck on some view. I don't know. Is it due to this thing? Main capture is this properties. Display ultra white, but this. Okay. So I think this is fine. And what was the other thing? Main capture. It's recording now. Yeah, I think it stopped recording the screen for some reason. I don't know what happened. I can't. No background. Your face cam is gone. Yeah, I fixed that. I think now. And screen is stuck. Yeah, that's fixed, I guess, now. Well, thanks, guys. Thanks for telling me. Well, I'm interested in building an artificial traffic generator. It's like a bot traffic for your website. I'm interested in building it soon. Very interesting project, Vishnu. And all the best on building it. Rohit, isn't it illegal? Yeah, I don't know the legalities of this artificial traffic. And I'm pretty sure websites would find out about it and start blocking the whole IP. I have difficulty in designing to starting from scratch in Figma, so difficult. Yeah, Vishnu, on that, you can just talk to AI like V0, Bolt, New, these tools, and ask them to design it for you instead of you designing it from scratch if you are not good at Figma. That would at least move you forward quickly. Yeah, that would be my advice. It is illegal, but yeah, if you really want to, then yeah, go ahead, man. OB Silva, what camera are you using for streaming? I want to start streaming this year. This camera which I'm currently using, this is DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's a wide angle camera. I like it, but you can even use any wide angle camera for that matter. Even I think mobile camera works really well. Like this keyboard view is coming from my iPhone. I mainly focus it to drive traffic to blogs so I can get monetization money. Vishnu, bro, I think that's not possible. I would like to tell you this right now. That's not possible. Like even if you write a blog and bring your own artificial traffic to it, Google will find out pretty easily, very easily, and they might even block your AdSense account. I've been there, not been there like did this, but the policies I know, we just break some small rules and they are very strict about it. Their whole security team's job is to figure out, like they spend millions of dollars to figure out if the traffic is legit or not. So yeah, I would not go this way, to be honest. Rohit, is there any AI app to design mobile apps? Most of the LLM sucks in it. That's true. Yeah, designing a mobile app is so hard, man. Like web app, I think there is a lot more data to train these LLMs, but for mobile, it's not that much. So that I think that is the reason they're not that good. In React Native, yep, true. I found out today one Seek or Slick. What was that? Swift to Android Compose SAS. Skip. Yes. So today I found out, or not today, like this week I found out about this skip thing. So you write your code in Swift UI and it generates exact that same design for Android in native. That too in like Kotlin with Jetpack Compose. Like in Android in iOS you write with Swift UI. That code is converted to Jetpack Compose in Android. So this is really interesting. But for indies it's free. Yeah. Even for businesses it's like $29 a month, which is nothing for the teams who are building and getting monetized for Android traffic. Israr, one thing that really helped me with design is start with stealing, go to Dribble, Pinterest and look for things that you want and steal part of design and make your own. Moving forward, you'll be better. Yes, that's true. That's 100%. That's how I also learned a little bit of designing, the thing which I do. Just looking at some good designs. Do not like start becoming artist yourself. You'll make so horrible designs. Like I will make so horrible designs if I start from scratch without any inspiration or things to look like copy. Do you anything that converts images to code like V0 but better? Bolt New is there, V0 is there, and even you can put images on cursor and try that. Emre, hi, you are back. Hey Emre, yeah, I'm really sorry for the afternoon fiasco. I have given a long explanation in this stream, so you can like go back and see in the beginning what happened. Not just one thing; there were like a lot of things happened, which completely effed my Monday. Gonza, what time? It's what theme? It's that look cool. You mean in my cursor? So this is a Dracula theme, I think, because this is what like I was an Android developer. I have been using Android Studio for so long that I wanted some because moving from one color to different in a different editor, it doesn't feel so good or you are not that quick at it. So that's why I just replicated exactly how Studio used to look like when I was writing in Java. So this is how like the design looks like this, the colors and all. If you are talking about the VS Code theme, this is cursor though, same thing. The only downside to using converters from design to code is that the code is bloated and so saturated. Yeah, that's true, Obi. That's true. Cat Puchin. VS Code Cat Puchin. Let's see how it is. Looks nice. I haven't used this. Is this the color theme? Yeah, I generally do not change my themes that often because after that it's very hard for me to like then you know find my code because well my brain is trained to look at for these colors. Like if I want to find like interface, const, return statements, these are the colors which are like imprinted on my brain and I quickly want to see them, and if I change the color I'll be like blind at this code. Emre, I do change my theme when I get bored. Yeah, I think if you're doing it for a very long time and you keep changing, I think your brain is trained now to understand new colors. But for me, it's very hard to go from one color to another. Even if I do like change this to white now, like the light theme, I can't code in that light theme. Israr, our ADHD brain can't handle theme change. I have been on VS Code default theme and never change. That's true, Israr. I think it's the ADHD thing which kicks in. I just need these colors, exact these colors. Okay, let's do some coding today. Little bit. Width, full height, maybe 20. And let's say BG blue 50. This looks okay. So I would say this would be a header. Then I have this. What is this? Obviously not full, man. Why? Nice. Israr, my both offices work is finally done. Now I can chill. Both offices? What do you mean by both offices? Are you working on two places? looks good. Current market situation is not good. One job don't pay enough, so I do another part time. Oh, interesting. So both the places are like programming jobs. Vishnu, I want to learn front end design. I will see your previous stream to learn that. Yeah, Vishnu. I hope that will give you some idea, but I don't think how valuable it would be in terms of learning. But yeah, you can see how I sketched from Excalidraw, then I moved to Figma. Yeah. Emre, I'm terrible at design. I just copy from Dribble. We all do, Emre. We all do. And we all like who code are just so terrible. And I think designing needs patience, like a lot of patience just to move those pixels. And when you're developing things, so many things are happening. I think if we just don't have that much patience as developers. That's what I think. Wow, this looks so nice. This is coming up really nice. Yes, both remote with front end role. Awesome, Israr. You're killing it, man. You're killing it. You are a true hustler. By the way, I finally found a comfortable chair in my budget. Oh, nice. Do tell us about it. Like which chair did you finally bought? Emre, Giga Chat. Yes, Israr is the Giga Chat of this session. I'm also thinking like let's have an MVP of the day in the chat. Like who is just killing it? Like who just, and we should have a poll. Not poll, but poll will make it because there are people who just do not stick to from start to end. Like for me, today's MVP so far is Israr. But I don't know. This could be like everyday Israr is the MVP. I have IKEA Marcus. Yeah, this my chair is also IKEA one, but not sure which. What is the name? I bought it secondhand. Oh, is this the one you have, Marcus? Because mine is something similar. I think maybe they have stopped making these. Yeah, mine is something similar. This is also IKEA one. Okay. But both of it are at startups, so no one knows till when do I have job. You mean like no one knows? Both of the startups do not know that you have two jobs? I was reading some Reddit post. Someone got fired, man, saying the same thing on some post. So maybe don't say this loud on live streams. Or maybe your real name is something else. They will not find out. Okay, so I'm really happy how the segmentation has happened just so quickly here. And we need an ad media split. Emre, I always talk good about my job online. I can only rant to my close friends. That's true, man. Online, we should just praise our workplace. I mean, we don't know if a startup would survive or not. Both of them know about the job, so it's chill for me. Yeah, that's great. You're like one of the lucky ones where they are chill about it. But if you're pulling it off, then yeah, you must be doing something right. Mm-mm-mm. I need to have add media split and this kind of buttons on here. Right. Am I right? What's this color? Okay. So studio section, the header, I want to have it in BG Blue 50. No, BG should be this. The first segment is again that, second is, and third is different. So first, second, third. First segment is width is 24. Yes, this is good. And the color is again this. Not the border, man. Background. Okay, this is. Let's run for 5-10 minutes more. Emre, also known as maybe I'm your manager. Emre Akka, I'm your manager. Baba Lola Salis. Hi, what programming language is this? I'm not familiar with it. Welcome to the stream, Baba Lola. And this is TypeScript, the version of JavaScript, which is more type safe. The language of internet. Emre, sir, I love my job. This is Angular, the best. This is not Angular. This is Next.js with TypeScript and Tailwind as a styling. Nived, what's up? Hi, Nived, what's up? Thank you, Emma Isra. When I joined the company, I was doing both Angular and React for 2 different projects. Then they took me from that team to another one where I built a mobile app with Flutter from. Wow, Emre, you have like worked on so many frameworks and languages. Nice. Scratch, and how now I do web app with Vue.js in 2 years. Hey, how's your experience with Vue.js? Like I never get a chance to work with Vue. I find it very similar to React, and I never thought like why would I want to move away. I didn't find any big reason. Maybe you can give that reason today. So next project I can try on that. What kind of music is this? Border gray, man. Color we have to change now. This has the same color, yes. And this has this. Scratch and now I do web. Okay, you are working everything. Yes, I've heard Vue.js is React but simplified. Yeah, that's what I have heard, but I never found a very big reason to move to Vue.js. I really like the founder of it. Like he, so the story which I have heard about Vue.js is very interesting. Like when React was getting popular and by Facebook, the whole uh, documentation of React was in English, and China, as they know, like in China, English is not so popular. So this guy was Chinese. He built Vue.js with the similar idea, but he wrote the documentation in Chinese, and it was very popular because it's a Chinese officially. The documentation was in Chinese, so China adopted it very well. Then they start, because China has this massive population, a lot of developers just jump into Vue. They started talking about it online, and that's how like Vue became such a big project. That's what I know about Vue. I don't know how true it is. Imanshu, hi Imanshu. When we become good coder, two screen is necessary, right? Not necessarily. Like it's not a necessity. It's for for me it's a good, like if you can see your what you're building, what you can see in one screen, and in one screen you can code. So it's a ease of use. When I'm traveling, I do just work in one single screen, which is MacBook Air. Emre, Vue is nice. It's templating syntax is similar to Angular. State management is cool, but React's composability is great. Recently, I tried to write a wrapper component and struggled a lot. Oh, okay. Interesting. Vinay, what are you building? Vinay, I have just explained a couple of minutes back, actually. So what I'm building is a post handle app. This is my own project where you can edit your shorts and reels. This is the UI, which looks like. And I'm just trying to build this timeline component right now. I might not build it today, just slowly talking to you guys and mostly chilling, you can say. Whatever I can do with this distracted zone, not so deep work. Israr, once you are getting good at it, buy things that makes your life easier. Yeah, that's the point of money, where you earn it to make your life easy. Okay, what was the menu preview area? This, no, I think we need this with 90. Maybe no. I want this color. What color is this? Zip. Yes. Not border gray. I need border this. Nice. Rana Z. Hey, welcome to the stream. Which keyboard? So this is Logitech MX2. MX keys. Yeah, Emre has mentioned. Israr, I completed all my childhood dreams. Bought Hot Wheels, game controller, built my setup, but I still don't have driving license and I'm 25. That's so cool, Israr. Like that's what we all are doing. Like just completing our childhood dreams and working hard to make that happen. But yeah, why don't you have a driving license? Aren't you told to have to like give a driving test? Emre, basically the keyboard and mouse every influencer uses on web. Oh, is it? I have big stories around this keyboard and this mouse as well. Hind Army, hi, what are you making? Wow, I think we have some new people joining in. So, Hind Army, welcome to the stream. I'm currently working on my own app called Post Handle, and this is what I'm building. This is a studio section of the app where you can edit your videos. Here the preview will be. This is the option. This is the option menu options, and this is the timeline. And majorly, I'll be working on the timeline component if the time allows for today. I'm planning to sit here for 1 hour more. Yeah, by 10:30 I will leave. Nived, Israr, Rana, Israr. I'm 20 and don't have one. I doubt I will be in the same situation as you. Atharv, hey, hi Atharv. Ed, what are you building in pin chat? Oh, interesting. Can I do that? I'm so noob on this streaming. Okay. I am working on a web app called Post Handle. This helps you schedule your shorts, reels, TikTok. And currently we are building the timeline editor for that web app. How to pin it? It's only saying remove. What? Oh shit, I am not logged in with my account here. Wait, this I'm using my other account here. Pop out chat. Yes, this is the one. I think I can do it with this then. But no, this is the same thing. What's happening? Yeah, Isra, I think that you're right. It's because I'm using other account to watch this chat. It's here now. Yep, this is the right account. Pin message, yes. Nice. Thanks for the suggestion, Israr. Yeah, thank you, Indarmi. Happy life. Hey bro, I'm currently struggling with the TypeScript. Can you suggest me some project to get pro like you? Happy life. Welcome to the stream. So I'm not a pro in this, but what I would suggest is just build some small apps. Maybe you can copy like a lot of apps out there, and yeah, that's it. This has started to burn. Let's put some water. Yeah. Hey bro, I'm currently okay. Isra, did you share the Discord link? Yeah, take Israr's advice. He's doing like a lot of things. So Israr, I think the issue is still there on Discord, and as soon as it gets resolved and I'll look into it, I'll share it with you guys. Maybe a community post I'll make on YouTube. Atharv, if the work isn't confidential, please do the stream often. It motivates us to work hard. Sure, Atharv. This is a project like I want to spend some time in the evening maybe. Yeah, in the I'm thinking because this is normally not my routine is, uh, and today I tried to do the same thing in the day, but it didn't go that well. So I'm thinking do in the day I'll do my own work the whole day, and then in the evening I'll wrap it up with this project. And because most of my time has also been taken with the other app, Auto AI Reels. What's your LinkedIn? And yeah, of course, Discord server if any. I have created a Discord server, guys. I'll show you. So this is a very basic Discord server I just created. Whenever I'm clicking on invite your friends and clicking on this copy button, it's copying hidden, use copy button. I'm clicking on this and see if I paste what it's copying. You can see here, it's copying hidden, use copy button. So yeah, I don't know. Once this gets figured out, I'll definitely share the Discord link. And LinkedIn, you can check out Divyanshu Negi. If search, I think I'll be the number one there. Maybe. Israr, happy life, give your 1 year. Yes, exactly. Nived, to stay updated with latest tech, what you do? I have followed a lot of people on Twitter who are into tech, and I don't have to go anywhere. I just browse my timeline 15-20 minutes a day, and I get all the information I need. I sometimes I do read Medium posts, like I just browse through them. And what else? I have like followed a couple of people on Twitter. Sorry, not Twitter, YouTube, and they are always there on my timeline somewhere. Fireship, I mean, like all of you might have already followed him. So yeah. Anyway, disable stream mode from Discord setting. Oh, is this could be the reason. How to disable it? Is it in server setting? Guys, please help me. Help me with this. How to disable the stream mode? Yeah, anyway, thank you so much. I think that's the reason it's not copying it. Edit link button just below copy. Fireship is got it. That's true. So Israr, I think Nived is right. Even this link is not working. If I generate new link, it just remains the same. Hidden, use copy button. I am pretty sure the developer forgot to enable this in this mode. It's good that in streaming mode it's hidden, but at least the copy should be working. So technically it's a bug. I'm pretty sure it's a bug. The gear thing at the bottom left. The gear thing at the bottom left here. Streamer mode enabled. Oh, okay. So enable streamer mode? No, disable it. Is it disabled now? Ah, Nived is at rescue. Here is the Discord link, guys. It's just a fresh account. I don't know. I haven't like set up anything. So we will do it slowly, but it will help me if you guys join here. This way I can just ping and when I'm live. So, and even if these streams crash in the middle, I have some channel to update what happened. Chirag, left button, bottom settings icon near mic. Thank you, Chirag. Yeah, we figured it out. Nived is already here. Hi, Nived. Nived today's MVP. Yeah, yep. Nived is today's MVP. Israr is here too. Cool, guys. Just join the Discord now. It's so cool. Hey, sorry, but I couldn't find your link. Okay. Maybe I was just too confident that I'll come on top. I'm sorry. Oh shit, yes, I'm not coming. There's no result for me. What is LinkedIn doing, bro? Yeah, if you search for Divyanshu space Negi, you will find me there. Yeah, this is me. Like, I don't want to spam the chat in. Like, you can, if you can find this, just follow me here. And the best part would be I can put this as a description thing on every stream. Hey guys, we have some activity happening in our Discord. So cool. So cool. Okay, so we have created the segment and now I want to change the studio here. Let's change the color of the timeline as well to the same color here, this one. All right, got it. Cool, cool, cool. Karthik, which APIs you used in Auto AI Reels app like ChatGPT API? So, Karthik, the thing is, technically it's not using just a single API for any LLM. It's a combination of multiple LLMs. What I have done is, I have this project called AI Sidekick. It doesn't work right now. Like, don't go and try to make an account. This will not work. So this is my project, which I did 2 years back or 1.5 year back. So what this just helps me right now for making all my AI apps. What I have created is, this is the basically dashboard, and I have a web service which is running. So I can go to the API section here. I have generated these tokens from AI Sidekick, and they help me. Like, I just enable these APIs on all of my apps, and I just manage this service. This service technically talks to Claude 3.5, ChatGPT, and also there is Llama. I am trying to integrate some other like APIs as well, like LLMs. So it's a mix of all. Like, it's based on A/B testing. I do a lot in this. So yeah, it's not just a single ChatGPT thing. Yes, Israr. So I have used Pinecone on AI Sidekick. I have used that database. So if I talk to this LLM here, it will remember my name and all in a single chat, because everything, but I have to enable this button. So if you click on this button, add message to long-term memory. So that message will go to a vector DB. So it's searchable, and that's how it works. I'm using Pinecone for that. Here, this one. But I'm not like super expert on this. I just solved one problem which I was facing, which was just making a context of the conversations with the AI, and it helped with that a lot. Kumar Harshit, hello sir. Hello Kumar. Nived, what's your take on agents? Any plans on integration of them in your projects? That's a very good question, Nived. I am actually looking at, so I used LangChain long back, but LangChain is becoming so bloated, I didn't follow it. I found this very interesting, Crew AI. So I'm planning to do one deep dive on Crew AI, and there are apps like Relay app, and another is, so the founder of Relay app actually approached me on LinkedIn. So we are like currently talking about like making a video series or not, if that works out. And then there is what's the other thing, Gumloop. Yeah, I am fan of this Gumloop, man. Like if Relay app pays me, I'll obviously make a video about Relay app, but Gumloop is something which I want to like integrate all my flows. Currently I'm using just one single flow to scrape some Facebook ads from their meta library. But yeah, the good part about it is that you can go to their templates. You can find a lot of people's who have created a lot of these automation templates which you can directly use on their dashboard. So yeah, so talking about AI agents, yes, I'm very bullish on them. They can do multiple things at once, and this is the idea of auto AI reels. Like the future of which I see in next 1-2 years is it could be just a single agent which will help you do all your marketing. For like that agent will do help you marketing. Yeah, that's the plan. Israr, man, this vector DB is quite fascinating theoretically. I want to learn. Yeah, I haven't gone through it theoretically. But yeah, let us know once you start learning about it. How does it work internally? For me, it's just a better search, textual search, which would take a long time. Otherwise, if it's not a vector based. Wow, we have what? How many users now? 15. Cool. On a Monday evening. Guys, you are being too productive here. Anyone else who is working right now on anything interesting which they want to share? This is the controller thing. Okay, then what's the timer is here? 0, 5, 10, 15, 45. I can increase the height maybe. Israr, from what I have understood, VectorDB is a 3-dimension storage and you throw data into it, which have embedding, and next time when you search for something similar, it points out to that space. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, I saw that explanation on the Pinecone dashboard, but yeah, mathematically, I couldn't understand how does that work. Imagine you are standing between hovering books and you point at one book when you're looking for it. Wow, that's a very good explanation, Israr. Hindarmi, yeah, working on a paper trading app with a partner. Front end is completed, back end's going on. Will be launching in August 2025. Wow, congrats. That's a really interesting project, paper trading. So you are doing like Indian paper trading app. If Himanshu is here in this chat, he is a full-time trader. He might be your first customer for this. What is the main USP of your product, this paper trading app? I have used TradingView and I think there is an option to paper trade. So yeah, maybe I can also help you test. Vivek, hi bro. I joined a bit late. I was caught up with Monday work. Hi Vivek, welcome. Welcome. We are here for a while now and we will be here for next 30 minutes. 35 minutes. Yeah. So yeah, hope you had a good Monday. Emre, I'm back. Welcome Emre. Vivek, yes, very good. There was 3 major bugs today. Oh nice. So you squashed 3 bugs on Monday. That's a very great start of the week. I had dinner. Okay. Welcome back Emre. What did you have for dinner? Ayush, bro, I'm watching you for the first time. Welcome to the stream Ayush and thank you so much. Hope you are having a good time here in this stream. Emre, bug fixing is funny. It can be funny or it can be nightmarish, man. I know, like you can see one of my video. But that was a real story. How like 80% of it. Ayush, can you tell me about yourself? Ayush, like, what do you want to know about me? There are like some videos which I have created. Hope that could help. Sir, stock marketing is drowning. Right now, market is drowning. Yes. Emre, meatballs with potato and tarhana soup. Wow, that sounds so delicious already. I haven't had like I don't. I'm a vegetarian, but yeah, I know like how good that looks. Meatballs. I have seen that movie in which the meatballs fly from the sky. Anybody? It's a animated movie. I used to love it when I was a kid. Oh, Emre, you are from Turkey, man. Nice, nice, nice. We are going international, guys. In the army, yeah, there is, but they don't provide FNO on paper trading. The USP for our app would be the exact replica of a real trading app, like all the things you get on a typical real trading platform. Sounds very, very cool. Like in army, if you need me to test it, I would happily test it. We can do it on the live stream. Israr, that's cool. Yep, that's very cool. Bro, what about 3D printing? I remember you creating 2 to 3 videos. I think I created just one video about it, and then life caught me. But yeah, so guys, I want to share one thing, man. Like, how many people are listening here? So I don't know. So there is a crazy project which I want to take once I get some time, and that is to have like I recently bought a small Raspberry Pi, and I want to make it so small that I can put it in a box, and I'm buying one speaker and 3 microphones to put it from 3 different sides, and write a running server on the Raspberry Pi so it can listen to all the commands, transcribe it. So kind of a Alexa, but who is very smart and on my desk, always running. So that's the plan. That's a cool project I'm going to work on. And the extended version of that project is something putting that whole thing into some kind of a toy like this and give it some eyes so it can also see me. This is a project which I really, really want to work in this year. Let's see if that can happen. So I am learning a little bit of 3D designing. I have downloaded one app on my iPad. I'm just learning very basics of it. Lol, the stream is in English, so thank you, Emre, and do provide some feedbacks, man. Like, what do you feel about it? What we can improve here? How much this printer cost? This costed me around, I think, 49,000 or 50,000 Indian rupees. Now we have to also give like what currency we are talking about. We have some people from outside India, like various kinds of charts, indicators, real-time data, and of course the user interface is really crazy. I can bet on this. Amazing. Can't wait to see it in live demo, man. We'd love to test it out from you. We would be happy to test it out. I know a lot of a lot of my friends are like traders, so yeah. I'm stealing that. What, my 3D printer? I want to print a couple of things this week as well. There is also a project which I am planning to have like a hydroponic system. Let me show you guys. See, my ADHD kicking in again. Hydroponic system 3D print. This one. So this is a modular hydroponic system which I want to put on my like in my living room. This one, like this. So I am not going to print the whole thing from the bottom to the top. First I will print just the one of these modules, and then if it works out, then we'll grow it bigger slowly. But yeah, my plan is to put some lettuce on it. I did one hydroponic project 2 years back in my home. It was a success, but I moved away, so well, it gave one time food for us. Someone subscribed, I think. I got some sound. Bro, your setup is cool. Ayush, thank you so much, Ayush. I found this really cool Chinese package for charts. Chinese package for, oh, you mean to show charts and all. Ayush is asking, bro, tell me one thing. What is more important, skill or degree? With skill. Actually, I am doing BS in data science and its application from IIT Madras. Okay, so you want to ask what is important, skill or degree with a skill? Obviously, degree with a skill. It's an added benefit. Like, degree with a skill is, in the statement itself, it sounds like it is more than a skill. Emre is saying degree with a skill is better than just a skill or just degree. That's for sure. Yeah, if you say skill or degree, again, you need some sort of a skill to get a degree. So, yeah. Skill with degree, man. And already you are in IIT Madras. So, you have the skill, man. You can do it. And bro, I think your project gonna take a whole eternity because we are not stopping. So, and these are like chill streams, as you can see here, the chill guy. So I don't want to focus a lot on this thing. I can, if I really want to, we can, but yeah, right now it's just chilling and focusing. Talking to you guys is fun, man. I want to put some global CSS here. I just need the WebKit thing, WebKit scroll bar. Well, I'm graduated in Commons, but I'm self-learning developer. Wow, Israr, I see the MVP tag coming back to you. Or maybe what I can do is in putting this whole timeline and preview view div. Uh, 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 uh. Emre, but I'd say that don't wait graduation to get a job. If you get a job, get it right away. You can finish the school later. Yep, agree on that, Emre. Very nice suggestion. Vivek, bro, a question. Which ID do you think will beat VS Code in coming days? That's a very good question, Vivek. So currently, I have tried Windsurf, I have tried Cursor, I have been a big user of VS Code. I have even like true story. I just finished my subscription for a year for WebStorm. I was paying for 1 year of it, and in 1 year I used it 2 times. So yeah, I have used my share of these IDs. I believe VS Code will beat all of them once it starts to act properly. Because technically, Cursor is nothing but some extra features on top of VS Code. And I think VS Code started to give Copilot free, if I'm not wrong. VS Code Copilot. And in few months, all the LLMs will start to look kind of similar once they keep on training and updating. And then VS Code will just add this update which Cursor is providing. I don't think what Cursor and Windsurf are doing differently. I also tried Zord. It's a Rust based ID to see how fast it is. It's not that fast that I would shift from the whole ecosystem of VS Code. So yeah, I think VS Code will win if they act accordingly. I got my job with my high school degree. That's so cool, Emre. Israr, that's not how it works here, bro. Israr, I think it does. Like some of the startups, they don't care. Like I see in Twitter, there are guys who are like 18, 20, 16, and they're making so cool projects, SaaS and apps, and they're like, I saw some like Dukan CTO, he offered someone a job, an internship in their company who was very young. I think and they told him like, don't even go to college or something. There was a big debate on that. But I believe like if you have skills and you can do what you say, people would want you to be in their team no matter what kind of a degree you have or not. Nived, I think he meant the course is from Madras. I saw a reel about it. Oh, okay. So he's planning to take that course. Nice. Vivek, I think Cursor will be used more frequently in future. Yeah, maybe. I still believe VS Code can put their act together and beat all of them. I use Windsurf nowadays and it's interesting and helping my productivity. Oh, really, Vivek? Like, tell us, like, what is so good about Windsurf? Because I have installed Windsurf. I have it here. Yeah. But I did not find anything so different on it than Cursor that I'm stuck with Cursor. Emre, I got so much used to VS Code, even WebStorm cannot please me. So for me, the thing was I moved from Android Studio, and Android Studio is built by JetBrains. So WebStorm was a right choice for me when I wanted to do some web development and React Native. And so that's why I just paid for WebStorm. But well, how slow those things are compared to VS Code, I had to come back here to VS Code. Anyway, I agree there are already extensions that allow you to use LLMs and have similar experience that Cursor offer. I used Olama and it worked pretty well. Yeah, I did use Olama as well. I have it in my machine, I think. Yeah, it's here. But I'm using Zen now. Sorry, not Zen. Is it Zen? Jen, yeah. Emre, Copilot gets so slow time to time, and it used also fails sometimes. I guess Cursor is still better. Yeah, for now, definitely. Like this is Cursor which I'm using, and you see what hack I did? I named my Cursor app as Visual Code Editor. So even for me, when I'm typing, or because it was in my like subconscious memory to just do command space and type visual, and then when I do that, it still opens Cursor, but because I have changed the name. And in terminal also with code command, I have linked it to Cursor. So for me, it was like I changed nothing, but I'm using Cursor. Ayush, yeah, true. And I'm learning web dev. So after making some basic project, I will find some internships or job. All the best, Ayush. You're doing great. Vivek, have you used Zen? Zen, is it a new editor? I think it is, right? Zen editor ID. Are you saying Z? This I have used. I think it should be in, yeah, it's already installed in my system. I tried all of them to see what the fuss is all about, but always came back to VS Code, then Cursor because of the AI thing. Israr, yes, there are prodigies. I mean, people don't usually go for schooling after they start working jobs later in life. Huh, yeah, that's true. In India, it's in that sense, yes. People generally go the education route. Once they finish, then they start looking for jobs. But I like how in like other countries, like mostly in US, they start working just after their high school and also continue their like education. That gives them like a lot of market visibility, so they know how things work. And yeah, I really like that concept. And I'm 19. Yeah, still I feel FOMO sometimes. Of course, any advice for this young brother? Wow, Hind, you're 19 and you're making these cool projects in FNO trading, paper trading, and all. Uh, and FOMO. We all have FOMO. Like in tech, if you are in tech, reading a lot of news, getting bombarded with so much information, we all get into this zone of FOMO. But yeah, you'll do good, man. It's 19 and making projects. Keep it up. Emre, brother, study non-stop. Yes. Giga chat move. Nived, Hind, if you figure out that, please help me out as well. Yeah, figure out, help us all in FOMO. I'm not planning to pursue, already pursuing, bro. Okay, cool. You're in that. Nived, can you please elaborate on what you are saying? I think he mean like about FOMO. How many VS Code folks available? Code folks available. Yeah, man, US is a different world. Yes, Rar is right. Take a break, man. Let us do the job. Wag guys. Wag Wanted to share, but yeah, it's okay. Okay. This looks cool. Looks very cool to me. Chirag, hey, hi Chirag, क्या कोट कर रहे हो? I have pinned here in the chat. Thanks to Israr for that suggestion. But yeah, I'm building this web app. Good evening, sir. Food evening. Yeah, food evening is also right. We all are here after having our food. Hi Kunal, welcome to the stream. Israr, anyway, it's impossible for most of us to get a house in this economy. So be chill, guy. Keep your head down and work. You will reach wherever you reach. That's true. Israr is the enlightened one here. In FOMO, because on Discord I met some folks who were younger than me. Like one was just in 9th grade and he's better than me. Seriously. Chal gayi thi. Oh, guys, so much competitive things are happening. Just chill, guys. Chill. I think it's not a zero-sum game. There are a lot of values to be created. There are a lot of things to be done. Let's keep at our own pace. Vic, good things about Windsurf Unlimited free questions. Oh, that's already. I'm interested. Paid write mode for removing comments, logs in one go. Okay. Codium's best autocomplete. Cool. Plus Windsurf super complete. Cool. Legacy mode for context rich autocomplete. So you got me at unlimited free questions because with cursor I do feel sometimes it says you have reached the limit. Not like once a month. It's an infinite sum game. Yes, that's true. It's just here for man couple of years. Couple of means like 80, 100 years. Let's not be so. Oh, maybe I'm talking like an old man. Yeah, but yeah, let's chill, man. Let's chill. Don't worry who is better than us or who is worse than us. Everyone has a different path. Run by 17-year-old have tons of user base in Discord. What is that? Do not update Bill Gates. He's an old man. I don't want him to have an heart attack. Use VS Code and GitHub Copilot also. Don't forget to use Azure for your projects. And lastly, use Windows PC. Do not want to upset Bill Gates. That makes it. Okay. Chirag, your setup is cozy. Thank you, Chirag. I am on the train. Yeah, we have Windows Army. I like Windows. I don't hate Windows, guys. But I'm just comfortable on this Mac. Please make one video to show us your created all projects. Kunal Nandre. That can be done. That can be done. Yes. Thank you for the suggestion, Kunal. Also try write mode. You will love it and will do edits for code files based on prompt. What is this write mode? Let's see. We can do it now. Restart to update. So I need to update it. I'm still dependent on my family, so chill. You know the video where Microsoft CEO says developer? Yes, Emre, that's one of the funniest thing. If anybody who has not seen it, I'll show you. He was Balmer. Paul Balmer. What's his name? Balmer developers. This. Yeah, this is it. This is it, guys. He did everything to pump developers except from really doing something. This was the most funny thing in a stage. Rohit, when is the Rick and Morty season 8 coming? Oh yeah, when is it coming, guys? I'm a big fan here. You see, Rick and Morty, and also like 2 of them my wife gifted me last year. Chirag just came home from office and you're attempting to code again. Yeah, man. Let's bring out that keyboard. Let's start to code something. Developers. Yeah. Anybody can make a meme and post on our channel about developers. Akash Malve, how many hackathon you joined and what was your experience? I joined, I think, one or two back in 2013 or 14. Yeah, not much. I was mostly working on my own projects, and I joined like in college time. I joined a lot of like competitions for web dev. But yeah, if you find a good team, I also participated in one IBM hackathon with one guy. Yes, I did that. Did not win it, but yeah, we make some cool project. Oh wow, Emre, what was the project you built in that hackathon? Hackathons are a great way to meet like other like-minded developers. So in 15 minutes, I'll wrap it up. So the whole progress, if I can show you guys, it is this. So we have the 3 segments created, and this timeline view can be scrollable. I have designed this scroll bar a little bit with the CSS. I don't like that ugly scroll bar which is in the apps. And about the dark color, because my plan is to migrate the whole thing into dark, so that's why I'm just starting with this dark here. And there are these buttons which are not visible, but yeah, I want to work on them as well. Next 15 minutes we'll do some cleanup on this. Emre, it was about building a backend app with .NET. Crazy. Anshi Raj, wait, I have a question. Sure, Anshi, please shoot. Rohit once took part in a 24-hour hackathon and it was a great experience. Wow, that sounds so interesting. So I did one 24-hour hackathon or personal hackathon with some of my friends just after the college. We got like a lot of Red Bulls and we were building something I don't even remember. I think for a client, he gave us one project and we thought we will just sit and code for 24 hours. And I don't know, I think I was the one who was not asleep till the end, or one of my friend, I forgot. But it was a crazy night. We were just sipping Red Bulls and coding, talking like maniacs the whole night. It was an app where users require services such as office, moving houses, moving companies makes offers. Oh, like office moving, if someone is doing, so companies make an offer to do that and you build the whole back end of it in that hackathon. Interesting. Obviously, with such complexities, you should have won it for sure. Let's add these things. Let's have the buttons. Where is the Figma? I am a second year BTech student, IIT Guwahati. Yesterday I had my first online assessment exam for the Uber C++ internship. I was prepared for it as they usually ask medium level DSA questions, and now I'm coding back office app at work. Nice, Emre. I also got decent marks, but the problem is that most of the people who appeared for this exam cheated by taking help from 3 seniors. How am I supposed to compete with 3 people? It's literally 3 versus 1. Israr, it's dinner time. Bye, Israr, and I think I'll just close it in like next 10 minutes. So see you tomorrow if you're available. Have a good night. I know people who didn't even start doing DSA got more marks than me, and their chances of getting selected are higher. And the problem is that there is no coding round. So most of them will likely get this internship. I have been working very hard for the past year. So Anshi, it's a very good problem, and I, I'm sorry for this thing to happen with you. And I mean, in college this happens. I have also noticed in my college days there were times when people were being selected for some companies. Even I knew they didn't prepare for it. They were like just making their way by cheating or just asking others, and someone who did the hard work did not get it. I know it must be very sad for you, but don't worry, like keep at it. You know you have skills, you have already prepared for it. I don't know how passionate were you for this Uber C++, but maybe try applying directly in their portals, talking to like their managers, sending emails, like asking them for another chance, or try some other companies. It's You are in your second year, you said, right? Yeah, it's again, kudos to you for being so self-aware in the second year itself. But yeah, you will do great. You will do great. But yeah, remember, like hard work always pays off. Like if you are really true to your work, by any means, it will pay off within a year or like in coming years ahead. Hint, it's my first day, but I'm already hooked. Let me know when you are live. Daily, I'm here for it. Sure, Hin. I'll try to be live mostly at 9 every day, weekdays. And this is what my plan is. Otherwise, I think you have already joined the Discord, so I'll ping there as well. Emre, our days are all coding. That's true. Our coding has something. Srar, man. You are a gem. Yes, Israr, completely agree on that. Bye, Srar. Good night. Hind, you really going off in 6 minutes because I don't want to be left hanging halfway. What are you working on, Hind? How long will you work on that thing? I don't know what's wrong with this cursor. Fucking hell. Akash, you have cursor subscription? Yes, Akash, I have cursor subscription. I'm just chilling right now, to be honest. We all are like this chill guy. He's part of my streams now. So I have two friends in the table. One is my bug buddy, another is this chill guy. So I think the issue is happening because the SVGs are too big. So better we put these icons here. Yep. So exporting these icons could be one thing. Or maybe I could say use icon from Lucid library and not SVGs. Wow, what is this? Akash, actually your routine is building my routine of coding. I just working on project. That's so great. This is the main thing I wanted to start this part, like this live, is to make my own routine in the evening. And I think if it's helping all of us, I think that's a really good thing. We all are like building this accountability now. Utkarsh, hi Divyanshu. Hi Utkarsh, welcome to the stream. So this has done some mistakes left. Where is the mid control, bro? One question I'm stuck with VS Code with Copilot or Cursor. I'm currently using Cursor, so I could say just use Cursor if that's not a problem. But yeah, I think if you want to use a free LLM, I think Copilot has started the free thing. So yeah, if that would be my advice. Just use whatever is easy. But I'll use Copilot if possible. Sorry, Cursor if possible. Or Windsurf. Someone was mentioning here in the chat about Windsurf, and it has unlimited free. So yeah, use Windsurf. Windsurf and Cursor, I think they are exactly same. With Windsurf having few more features than Cursor, but technically they are almost same. Codium is also great. Yeah, so many choices. Sometimes too many options make you this analysis paralysis where you can't even choose one thing. So yeah, choose, like, don't think too much, man. Like, they all are similar. Like, if you start using Cursor, uh, it will be easy for you to go to Windsurf, but find out what's your reason to move to Windsurf. Not because everyone is using Windsurf. It should be a core reason, but like some feature which you really want to use, which only Windsurf has, then move to Windsurf. Otherwise, pick any one of them. They all are like kind of similar. So for example, here if you go to, what was the file name, side bar navigation, right? So this is Windsurf I'm showing. So here if you select this, Command K, no, there is no Command K, there is Command L. What? No, yeah, this is the thing. Sometimes you will have these command issues, but you can change from hotkeys or something. What's the plan of this? Windsurf. Windsurf is by Codium. Nice. What's their pricing? Wow. So free one-time trial gift on download, 50 premium user prompt. So Vivek, you are saying it has unlimited. It has 50 premium user prompt and 200 premium flow action credits. What are these premium models? Yeah, Windsurf is technically, they have a free plan, but with some limitations. Shadow Rage, what's up? Hey Shadow Rage, welcome back. We were missing you. Utkarsh, can you tell me some amazing project which will separate me from the crowd? Like, I want to add something cool in my resume. You want to add cool in your resume? So I would say go to producthunt.com for, okay, if you really honestly want my opinion, right? Do one thing. For the next 5 days, daily go to the top 10 projects which are launching on Product Hunt. Make an Excel sheet or a Notion doc, write what they are doing, some core features. Like, just go to this doc, create a doc. Day 1, 10 products, what they are doing, what is the core feature. Day 2, 10 products, what are they doing, what are core features. And on the 6th day, sit and visualize what feature is the most easier and excites you to make. Just build that product, and just that one feature, one product with a landing page, publish it. I'm pretty sure, because if it's on top ranks of Product Hunt, people are watching it, people are liking it, so it's already like people will talk about it once you publish it. That would be my advice. And I have never used Windsurf before. I'll definitely give it a try because of you. Yeah, Vivek has motivated couple of people for Windsurf. It's good. Yeah, in Windsurf, can you check free base feature? They look at free base feature. Where? Free base feature. Okay, access to the Windsurf editor, Codium extension, unlimited AI autocomplete. Oh, okay. Autocompletes are unlimited. In editor, AI chats are also free. Cool. But I'm pretty sure that the premium user prompts are not there. And by premium, I think what they mean is this thing, right? So for example, if I'm not getting my thing here, what I can do is I can select O1 preview. These are like premium models, and even in Cursor they give 50 in my plan. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're welcome, Utkarsh. Yeah, if you follow that and if you build something, do share here, and I would love to see what you build. And we will also talk about it. We'll try it out. And oh, that's great. Yeah, You're talking about Windsurf free plan, I think, because I was also a bit shocked to know that. On that, what is Cursor's pricing? So it has 2000 completions only, not unlimited, and 50 slow premium requests. Yes, this I moved to. I'm on this plan, the $20 per month. I get like 500 premium requests and unlimited slow, which is also like premium request. But you go into this queue, and sometimes if you are in a flow state, you are just you want to immediate answer. Sometimes it's like you are in queue and waits for a while. 10 O1 mini users per day. Yeah. Is it 10 O1 mini users? Because I remember I've used O1 preview and O1 a lot. Why is mini only 10? Maybe they haven't updated this part. Because now they have O1 preview O1. Is it true that the App Store is a better market than Google Play? Rohit, from my experience, it is. It definitely is. And I can talk like for hours why. One of the main reason is the quality of user you get from iOS. In iOS, they're like, as a developer, my main goal is to make my app reach to a user who is willing to pay for it, because that's how I make money. And in iOS, that's much easier. It's your app, and also like I think App Store's algorithms pushes your app up when you launch, so you get some visibility, some feedback initially, which is not in Google Play. In Google Play, you get a mass user initially who rates you bad and would rate you bad for any reason. Even they will rate you bad that you have a paywall for some features which are AI features. So yeah, that never happened with Apple or App Store. Another thing is their review system. Like in App Store, they will take their time, review it for 1 day or 2 day, and once they pass it, you're good. In Google Play, one project which I worked on, it was approved by their team because they approve it like in 15-20 minutes. Back then they used to approve it in like 1 hour. Now I think they are a bit strict. The $25 plan, like first of all, Google Play account you get for $25, and once you breach any of their rule, which they keep on updating every day, they will suspend your account. It happened to me twice. And in App Store, you pay $100 a year, so it's already a big barrier for anyone to spam their store. They have to pay yearly, and they are very strict on suspending. Like they will not suspend your account, they will remove your app initially. There are cases where they have suspended accounts, but that's like if you're doing some malicious activities, and sometimes their algorithm can flag you. But with Google Play, I have personally had a lot of bad experiences. Even now with my app Auto Aerials, recent video which I made, the Android users started using like customized ROM to hack into my app to use it unlimited. And so yeah, those are the things you have to deal with in Android. Yeah, hope my rant was well received and I did not hurt any feelings. And since I can't pay for the subscription, I have very limited choices, but Windsurf looking like the end of my search. Yep, Windsurf's free plan is crazy. Crazy. And all thanks to Vivek. So today's MVP, I would say, was Nived. Yes, Nived Chaudhary was today's MVP, guys, because he helped us create the Discord thing. Okay, it's 3 minutes. I'll leave now. And we have a little bit of update on our timeline. This is scrolling. There is a media button which is not looking very good, but it's fine. The sidebar is nice. Tomorrow we can work on this thing and we'll have an editor ready. Not a 2 hour worth of progress, but some progress, which is better than nothing. So I can say fit studio component is created. Okay, I should not do it from here. Maybe git add what are the things? Why is DSS store coming here? Studio section created with timeline view UI. Thank you that I was able to help you. Yes, thank you, Vivek. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, so we have pushed some code and we can continue tomorrow evening again. I don't know why YouTube retracted Vivek's message. It had nothing wrong in it. Anshi, in the second year, we actually have some pre-internship opportunities specifically for female students. This was one of them, and it was one of the best. Yeah, I can see that Uber is a very huge company right now, and yeah, getting an internship there would be really great. However, I just wish company will consider having more strict online assessment. Yeah, you can maybe write to their like HR team like this is happening, and so they can take some strict measurements next times, right? And don't worry about it. It can happen, not the end of anything. Just keep grinding, and you will find a good opportunity very soon. Okay, guys, I think I'll call it a night today. And thank you all for joining this. I'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya. Bye bye.